Short videos like these are getting thousands of views. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to make them. Okay, guys, so once you log into your ChatGPT account, you're going to go to GPTs. Up at the search, you're going to type in felt animal generator. Click on this one at the top. Okay, go to the bottom and start the chat. Then click on start the generator. ChatGPT has given us 10 different scenes that we can choose from. It also says to pick a number to generate your prompts, describe your own scene, or you create a fresh batch. Okay, so I'm going to go with number 5, okay, which is the panda. Okay, so I'm going to type in 5 below and click enter button. Okay, guys, so as you can see, ChatGPT has provided us one image prompt and one video prompt. Okay, so we're going to go over here and we're just going to copy our image prompt. Okay, guys, so once that's done, you're going to go to Google, type in Flow AI. You're going to click on the first one right here. So, guys, I already have an account with Flow AI. If you didn't, you can easily create one by linking it to your Google account. Okay, once that's done, go ahead and click on New Project. Okay, we're going to go down here at the bottom. We're going to change it from video to image. Make sure it has a 9:16 ratio. Okay, Nano Banana 2, which is free. Okay, then we're going to paste right click and we're going to paste our prompt from ChatGPT and hit the enter button. Okay, and let's see what it gives us. Here is the image that Flow AI gave us. So I'm going to go to the top, click on the 3 dots. I'm going to download to 2K. All right. So once that's done, I'm going to drag the file down here, click right here. I'm going to change from image to video. And it's going to remain 9:16. Okay. We're back at ChatGPT. We're going to copy our video prompt. We're going to right click, copy back in Flow AI. We're going to right click. We're going to paste our video prompt from ChatGPT and click enter. And let's see what it gives us. Okay, our video is complete. I'm going to come up here and click on it. Come down here and click the play button. Okay, guys, so that is it. It's just that simple. In under 3 minutes. So since I like the video, I'm going to go ahead and click on the 3 dots again. I'm going to download it. Click on 720p, the original image, and that is it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to like, subscribe, and let's keep thriving with Darlett.